Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stunning Maths.
Today we'll learn about a number system that is adopted by most of the countries throughout the world except India, called International System of Numeration.
If you get some value from my videos, then please like it and subscribe my channel.
Look at this table, which shows the periods, places, and place values. Here we have three periods, namely ones, thousands, and millions. Each period consists of three places. The ones period has ones, tens, and hundreds. The thousands period has thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. And the millions period has millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So let us learn to read and write large numbers, how to use this system. So let us take an example first. Now let us see how to write it in numeral, or we can say how to write this number by using commas. So we have to write it in this way, and we have to consider this number from the right hand side. Here you can see from the right hand side, before three digits we have one comma. Why? Because this comma is separating the periods, the ones period and the thousands period. So before three digits we have to put one comma. So now let us see how to read this number or how to write it in words. So it will be 916,457. Let us take another example. Let us see how to write it. So in numeral we have to write it in this way, and here also you can see from the right hand side we have to put one comma before three digits. Again before three digits we have to put another comma, and then the remaining digits we have to write. So here also we can see we are separating those periods by using the commas. So let us see how to write it in words. So in words we have to say this is 1 million, because 1 is under the millions period. So 1 is 1,307,000, because 307 is under the thousands period, and the remaining part is 840. So we have to write it in this way. Let us take another example. Here it is, and let us see how to write it by using the commas. So we have to write it in this way. Let us see how to write it in words. So in words it will be 76,010,206. Why 10,000? See here, under the thousands period, here we can see 0, 1 and 0. So here we can get only 10. So that's why we have to say 10,000 only. And then whatever we have under the ones period, that we have to say, that is 206. So let us take another example. And here it is. So in numeral we'll write it in this way, and let us see how to write it in words. So in words it will be 529,184. Here you can see that under thousands period there are only zeros. So in words we will not mention the thousands period here. In today's lesson we have learned here that if we get some numbers, then how to write it in numeral by using commas, and how to write it in words But before that, we have to put those numbers under the International Place Value chart.